Greetings. Hello again, friends. This is the one true Stepwall, coming at you again today with another Game Boy Studio tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and get right started. All I did so you come to the trigger, gives you a prompt, and it automatically moves you over, or not. That's brilliant. So these guys here, if variable 100, my linear quest, has flag 2, climb over the rocky cliffs. I forget where I set it up. Oh, here it is. Yes. So if we move down into here, we'll get the else. So, there it is there. It pushes you away automatically. It's quite the simple little script. I was going to make lava over here, but what did I do wrong? Player health at all. I need to variable, set the value. Player health, set it to 50 for now. Oh, I also wanted to, yeah, I'll move back up here. So we'll have flag 2, so we'll be able to get over to the other side without me cheating him over. I think I could have just walked up into the other scene. You know what? I gotta test that. Oh, that's not how I do it though. I do this and then that. There we go. So, I'm here. Can't climb over. Every time we enter the scene, it initializes, right? I just got my climbing tools. I didn't attach a message, but yeah, because it's on initialization here. So anytime we enter the scene. So now I'm over the other side. Oh, that lava hurts real good. Boom, there my character died. It's yeah, it's got a little save screen going and everything. I don't know how this is gonna look after a while, but you know, look forward to getting the art done on this. Should bunker down on that soon. I'm just having too much fun reaching out to you. I want to share with you today that all of the wild animals of the world see you as family. And if they knew you were in pain, they would have empathy for you. They all care so very deeply. Well, that's all for now. Until next time.